Good morning. I am going to go over some concepts on the test on Wednesday. These concepts I want you to study, but they're not mutually exclusive. There could be some concepts that I missed that are still on the test. I'm going to go over I'll go over test A first. In Promo 01, Group 3 will take test A individually, and Group 1 and 2 will take test B individually. In Promo 02, Groups 3 and 4 will take Test A individually, and Groups 1 and 2 will take Test B individually, and then, of course, we'll switch for the groups. All right, so here we go. The hierarchy of effects model is explored extensively on both tests. Understand the key ideas in the advertising theme and the advertising message. Understand the difference between an advertising theme, an advertising message, and an advertising strategy. Understand the media strategy and all of the different processes of the media strategy. Understand, again, the hierarchy of effects model. Understand all of the different cognitive message strategies. That's generic, preemptive, USP, and all of those types of things. Understand branded entertainment versus product placement. Understand the difference between reach, frequency, opportunity to see, and all of those different terms I had in the traditional media channel. Understand the means end chain. Understand the attitude formation and the sequence that would be dealing with the consumer behavior attitudes. Understand the difference between rating and share and reach and frequency. Understand all of the terms like leverage points and all of those other terms that we talked about, leverage points and appeals. Let's see. Understand all of the different steps in the hierarchy of effects model again. Understand the difference between the three exposure hypothesis and the recency theory. Understand all of the different alternative advertising campaigns: guerrilla marketing, lifestyle marketing, branded entertainment, product placement, stealth marketing, etc. Understand all of the different executional frameworks, all the way from emotional, fantasy, and all those types of things, be able to identify them, etc. Understand all of the different appeals. The appeals are explored extensively in this test, and there's 7 appeals. Make sure you know all of them. Understand planned insertion. Understand, again, all of the different cognitive message strategies, preemptive, USP, etc. Understand slice of life. Understand buzz marketing, and make sure you can identify buzz marketing and all the 3 different types of buzz marketing. And that would be a regular consumer, a paid consumer, etc. Understand humor as a appeal and all the different effects humor has. Understand sex appeal. Understand CPRP and what that stands for. You don't have to calculate it. You just got to understand all of those different terms. Understand all of the different jobs that the person in the advertising does, like the media buyer, the creative director, the media planner, all of those types of things. Again, another question on appeals, another question on executional framework, guerrilla marketing, etc. The short answer on test A deals with the means end chain. All right, let's go to test B and see if there's anything that I missed that's on test B. Hang on a second. Experiential marketing, we talked about that. We talked about the executional frameworks. We talked about all of those GRPs, OTS, CPRP, all of those types of things. We talked about message theme versus message strategy. I'm just looking here to see if there's anything else. Again, hierarchy of effects model, means end chain, the different attitude formation sequence, all the different alternative marketings, understand USP and all those types of things, means end chain, the 3 exposure hypothesis versus the recency theory, testimonial executional framework, rating versus share, buzz marketing, leverage points. Oh, understand the spot ad, and also understand the difference between all those different ad ways of doing it. Like, we talked about spot ad, we talked about pulsating, continuous advertising, understand those. Slice of life again. The different appeals again. CPM. The different appeals. And that's it. There are 30 multiple choice questions, 1 short answer. The short answer on question B deals with the 7 appeals. Again, on promo 1, groups 1 and 2 will take test B individually, group 3 will take test A individually, and then we'll flip. In promo 02, groups 1 and 2 will take B individually, and 3 and 4 will take A individually, and then we'll flip. Good luck, and I will see you all tomorrow.